Alright guys, this Fiesta ST has a wall in it, so walled off, demoing in the pit, and he's still out here on the strip, so let's see what he runs. This thing's pretty sick. I don't know what he has in the wall yet, but we're about to find out. Still running a 15.6. That's not bad. Let's find out what the car is. Alright guys, so we got Clay's Fiesta ST. This is the one that you just saw run. It's got a wall in it with two 12s. And this thing is still running down the track. So let's check out the amp. He's got I said he's got audio, but he's got an extra battery back here. I don't know where the amp's on the side here. Good shit. He said it's getting hot. He's just been sitting in the staging over there, just demoing all day, just sitting there waiting. And then when he goes down the track, he's still demoing. So we're actually gonna go for a ride down the tracks while he's demoing. Don't mind that. Oh, it's actually put back together. So here you have it, guys. Hey, you like the bolt? I didn't even notice that. I've always been a big Fiesta fan, and to see it going down the strip with a wall in it, that's just amazing. So can't wait to see how this thing runs. Alright guys, we're staging up here, getting ready to do a demo down the drag strip. I bet you no one has ever done this before, so this is kind of cool. And I don't know what we're staged up next to. Yeah. I have no idea. We are running a 350Z
after-hours racing system. He goes up against little Infinity of Cabo Mimi, Palm Coast.
Nice one.
Normally these are two things that don't go together.
Yeah, right?
Either you want to go fast or you want to be loud.
Yeah, that's what I like, mixing two together. That's just awesome. I think it's the first time in history there's ever been a bass demo down the quarter. That is sick.
That could be like a YouTube title.
See what the time was.
16.2.
16.2. What?
I've been running between 15s or 16.
16.29.
I got a million time slips in here.
That's 60 foot. 2.6. Well guys, there you have it. That is probably the first time in history anybody has ever given a bass demo going down the drag strip. So that was awesome. There's not much more I can really say than that. So thanks to Clay here to make that happen. That was sick. His Fiesta is badass, and that was sweet.